Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rundown, Debbie a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And look at the color. Look at the color. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, JAMMAS Day number 3, I'm going to be preparing for you some fried cabbage. So I have chosen this one with the green leaves on the outer part. These are, you know, so most times you see them pick off these leaves, but today I want to use these leaves. Yeah, I want to use them. And you don't mind these little things. Some people pick them out, but this tells you that the cabbage is okay, the vegetable is okay. Okay, these little leaves, sometimes they are not definitely worm. So what I'm going to be doing, I have here some salted water. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use to cleanse my cabbage. So I'm picking off the greener leaves, right? And I'm going to be cutting them up. See? Leave them in the water to be cleansed. So these are the most greener ones. So I'm going to just put them together. I'm going to just cut them, not too fine. Cut them off. And when I'm doing cabbage, I use everything. I really don't, the harder part, I don't mind it. I don't mind it. It has a little sweet taste. That's how I saw my mother do it, so I always try to use it. This part here, I will just cut off probably right up here. Well, let me show you what I'm talking about. So now waste no cabbage, because right now the cabbage them down a market have on some serious eye eel. You see? So once you cleanse your cabbage good, you don't have nothing to worry about. So it's in the salted water. I like the greener parts of it. So I'm gonna get it down in 2. Feel free to remove right here of yours. I really don't remove mine. Not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna start cutting in no particular order. You know, I'm gonna finish cutting off these. Leave them in the water to be cleansed. So we are right back. These are my little condiments, the little things that are gonna accompany my cabbage. I used the bigger half. I washed it and I have drained. Well, it's drained. It's in my colander and it's draining. So as it too, I just I give it a little flip. And then you drain and, you know, tat it dry back again. And you see when you use the green with the green part and the white, how pretty it can be. Okay, give it another little flip. Yeah, we're trying to get the excess water off it. Now we have got our skillet over here, a very broad skillet, a very heavy bottom skillet, and I'm bringing some oil to heat in. Now I am going to be using some celery to gig up this cabbage, right? I'm going to be using stalks and all stalks and leaves, not just the stalk of the celery alone. Yeah, so I'm using this amount. Celery is strong, but this is okay. You want to taste a little, you know, you want to have a little holiday extra gig in your thing. So I'm doing it the finest I can. Whilst my oil is being preheated, I have garlic here, and I'm supposed to be adding a little piece of ginger. No powdered seasonings, just probably a little salt at the end. No black pepper for me right here on this. So I'm gonna give it a little finer chop and return. My carrots in first on the ice heat, probably are a little below high. We just wanna move them around in the skillet. When you're stir frying, you need a wide skillet, okay, with a heavy bottom, that you don't get burned, also that you have space that you can move around. These carrot sticks, not the cutest of them all, but that's how they are, with that little sweetness from the carrot, and all of them, suddenly you can see that they are taking shape in this oil already, and they are getting all a little lint with that little, slightly, not the best, as I said, orange color coming out. Now it's time for us to put in all these little nice pieces. Yeah, we are working on the flavors to come out. Remember, we are not using a little bit of a red bell pepper. We have got right here a little, some yellow more than the red. And we don't want to put too much of the bell pepper, all of them something there in it right now. Now we can put the garlic in. There is a base there that will prevent the garlic from burning. These veggies, now that they're there, the garlic will not have time to get burned. Also, this is the time for us to put in our celery. Beautiful. Try to incorporate a lot of celery family in your veggies, in your everything. Celery is beautiful. Yeah. This is what is happening right here. We're gonna stir it around, and when you start doing this, all the flavors will be released. Still on the high, and all of that. A very, very mean stir-fried cabbage right now. This is what I'm doing. Very fast, very quick, very easy. You don't want the veggies them get burned. You want them look nice. I don't know about you. I added some onions too, and you could use purple ones. I don't like my vegetable them pop down, and all of them beautiful things there. Okay, a few slices of ripe Scotch bonnet pepper. That is, if you please, if you care. Yeah, try to omit the seeds in this. Yeah, look at that beautiful base that we are setting up for this fried cabbage. Up now to the ice, because you know the cabbage it love the water business, and something beautifully done, looking really beautiful. It's time now to get this two-colored cabbage right in. Remember to make sure your heat is at its highest point, and you know, yeah, put it in right there. Let it stay right there. Give it a little time. Right there. Look at that beautifulness that is going on. Now, whilst that is happening, we're going to grate a little ginger right here. Right over it. A little grated ginger. If you don't want to, you can use some garlic ginger powder. That is. Yeah, right over it right there. Giving it a little time to just start to suck up some of that beautiful flavors that we have pre-prepared in the bottom. And the ginger is here. Now it's time to let us start lifting up, falling over from the bottom and over. Without the bottom, we are carried come at the top. And all of them beautiful something there. So we might need a little help right here, of course. So let's kick it here. Look here. Yeah, man. Two-color cabbage, you know. Get the cabbage with the nice green on the outside. Wow, beautifully done. I don't think we want any black pepper to mess up this look. No, no. I like my fried cabbage very crunchy or stir fry. I don't know about you. Do you? I don't like my cabbage cooked until it's limping and all of that. But some people do. And look here. To each of us, our very, very, very own. Look at that. This cabbage is ready. Look at this. Look at this. Beautifully done. Look at it. Look at it. Right now, I'm getting my flame on. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, now fam, this is when I like to add my salt at the end. These leafy vegetables, and I'm not gonna add a lot. I don't like a lot of salt. Depends all on you. These leafy vegetables, once you add the salt while they're cooking, they tend to be very, very, very watery. Look at the bottom of my stir-fried cabbage. Look at it. Me no want no whole heap of water. It a run down in there like a river Nile and them something beautifully done. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is stir-fried cabbage done my way. Day number 3. JAMMAS it is, 2022. Thanks for watching.